In this video, I will be showing you how to make a private playlist on YouTube. Let's get started. To begin, I open my web browser and click on the address bar. I type in YouTube and search for it. From the search results, I click on the official YouTube link to navigate directly to the YouTube homepage. Once the YouTube main page loads, I move my cursor up to the top right corner and click on my profile icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, I select YouTube Studio. This opens up my channel dashboard. Over on the left-hand sidebar menu, I navigate down and click on the Content tab. Inside the Channel Content section, I look at the top navigation tabs and click on Playlists to view all the playlists on my channel. Here, I locate the playlist I want to change, hover over it, and click on the pencil icon to open its details. On the Playlist Details page, I go to the right-hand panel where the visibility setting is displayed. I click on the Visibility drop-down menu, which is currently set to Public, and select Private from the list. After selecting Private, I move up to the top right corner and click on the Save button to apply the changes. A confirmation message appears at the bottom letting me know the changes have been saved. Finally, I click the back arrow next to Channel Content to return to my playlists list. Now, looking at the visibility column, I can see that my playlist is officially updated to Private with the lock icon. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.